What's up, everybody? Thank you everyone for helping me out since I've been making videos last week. Thank you everybody for the supporters that you gave me. Thank you so much. The 2 subscribers, W in the chat. Thank you everybody. Since if anyone wants to know my name, just comment on my newest video chat. So peace out, buddies. Wait, before we do it, we have to do one thing since we're currently in here in my room. This is my room, chat. This is my headphones. This is what I used to for gaming and stuff like that. In Bloodbath, this is my iPad. This is my iPad. Well, this is my computer. I connect it to my iPad and my mouse, which is a complete set, and it glows. Look, chat, it glows red. Glows every color. Thank you all for the supporters that you gave me. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I appreciate it. Afterwards, this is what I got from my school. I finally graduated. Thank you everyone for supporting me. Since I'm currently in my sugar hard state, since I'm quite very dangerously in high sugar. So that means I cannot eat too much sugar food or something bad will happen to me because it's really dangerous for me or I might get diabetes. So thank you everyone for giving me 2 subscribers. Thank you everybody. I appreciate all of you who subscribed to me. Thank you for all the support that you gave me. It took me so long to get these gems because I grabbed actual gems or something like that. Afterwards, I went to my beach, not beach, I mean swimming pool, to take a swim for finally take a break. Well, this is usually I do my recordings, so yeah. Thank you everybody for helping me out, I guess. And I noticed that everyone that I like currently is very top in the comment. Next comment, tell me what should I play in Roblox again, chat. W, peace out. Bye.